Dear students, in this video we will discuss animal husbandry. In our previous video we have discussed nitrogen cycle. So one more topic is still remaining, that is animal husbandry. What is animal husbandry? Animal husbandry refers to the breeding and raising of livestock for their specific purposes. Now, what is livestock? All the domesticated animals constitute livestock like cattle, goats, sheep, camels, etc. So, animal husbandry deals with the feeding, breeding, eating, weeding and shelter. So we will discuss all steps one by one in detail. So let's start with the first point, that is feeding. What is the meaning of feeding? Feed means giving food for eating. Or we can say for healthy growth and development, proper diet should be provided to animals. In other words, we can say taking care of animals by giving healthy food, or care should be taken to give adequate amount of food to animals. Now the second point is breeding. Breeding means give birth to young ones, that is a part of reproduction. Okay? So breeding means to obtain selective offspring from the selective mating of different species of animals. Now the next point is heeding. Heeding means healthy care. What is the meaning of heeding? Healthy care. So heeding refers to healthy care. Proper health care of animals should be taken so that there is no serious damage to animals. Routine medical checkup and other management should be undertaken regularly for the animals. Now the next point is weeding. Weed means unwanted plants and animals. And weeding, the process of removing unwanted plants and animals. But in animal husbandry, we will use only the animals. So, removing of unwanted animals like sick animals, because they are sick and sick animals should not be allowed to breed further. So what is the meaning of weeding? Removing the unwanted animals like sick animals from the area. Now the last point is shelter. Shelter means we can say dwelling place. Okay, so the animals should be kept in proper place or shelter. This is the important part. The animals should be kept in proper shelter according to local climate or weather. The animals should be protected from their enemies. So here we have discussed steps involved in animal husbandry: feeding, breeding, heating, weeding and shelter. So once again I am repeating all things in short. Feeding, for healthy growth and development, proper diet should be provided to animals. avoided to animals. Breeding, removal of unwanted animals like sick animals. Shelter, the animal should be kept in the proper place or shelter. Children, I have explained you animal husbandry. Now I am going to start our new topic, that is animal husbandry programs. So some programs are associated with animal husbandry. So we will discuss them one by one. So let's start. White revolution. White revolution refers to improve milk production. As you all know, milk is white in color. So white revolution refers to improve milk production. This program is also known as Operation Flood, and Operation Flood is launched on 13th of January 1970. So India is the largest producer of milk in the world after White Revolution. White Revolution refers to the large quantity of milk production. Now come to the one more point is associated with White Revolution, that is Vergis Kurian, known as the father of White Revolution in India. Now come to the second point, that is Silver Revolution. Silver Revolution refers to improve egg production. Okay, so Silver Revolution refers to improve egg production. Just like White Revolution, there was another project, Silver Revolution, through which there was a tremendous increase in egg production. Now come to the next point, that is Blue Revolution. Blue Revolution refers to improve fish production. Okay, so Blue Revolution refers to improve fish production. So this is the project for tremendous increase in fish production. Thank you. Some more points or terms are related to animal husbandry that you should know. So first term is pisciculture. Pisciculture word consists of two words. Just break down this word into two categories, pisci and culture. Pisci means fish. What is the meaning of pisci? Fish. And culture means to cultivate, or we can say breeding or rearing or transplantation. So the rearing of fishes on a large scale is known as pisciculture, or we can say the rearing, breeding or transplantation of fishes by artificial means is known as pisciculture. Now the question arises, what is the meaning of rearing? Rearing means look after, or we can say care for. Okay, so the rearing of fishes on a large scale is known as pisciculture. Next definition is apiculture. Api means bees. What is the meaning of api? Bees. And culture means seed, to cultivate, or we can say breeding. So the rearing of bees to collect honey is known as apiculture. The rearing of bees to collect honey is known as apiculture. Now next definition is sericulture. What is the meaning of seri? Silkworm. So the rearing of silkworm for the production of silk is known as sericulture. The rearing of silkworms for the production of silk is known as sericulture. Now come to the next point, that is piggeries. A place for breeding or rearing pigs is known as piggeries. A place where pigs are kept. for breeding, okay, and rearing, that is known as piggeries. Thank you.